Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to review about the Winsor Newton professional watercolor. This comes with a very good packaging, as you can see, properly wrapped, and there are two variety of colors, or you can say two range of colors provided by Winsor Newton. Let me unbox the first colors. It's very well packaged and properly wrapped. It's basically a half pen set, and it's very professional, uh, you know, brand and very well known brand all over the globe. Once unwrap, then just let me open it, the box. So it's basically a metal box, you can see, and it comes with a manual, right? So once you open it, properly label and properly branding, and I guess yeah. So there are actually so many swatches provided by Winsor Newton. It's 24 set, but definitely you can add more colors to it. These are sold separately as well. No need to buy the whole set if you are sort of some particular color. So even you can add if you are a beginner, and if you want to try, no need to buy the whole set. You can just add few pans to your existing color. So the metal box is very solid, like the Winsor Newton branding is here, and like every color is wrapped individually. All the professional brands, not only Winsor Newton, I think every color professional brands comes like this only, like properly wrapped. You have to unwrap it, the complete colors. So it's good though, cause and I think it's slightly, I don't know how I can open it. It's quite difficult to open in between. So let me open it and just make a swatch of it. You don't get any paper in this, as you can see. You have to make your own paper chart, color chart. So once let me open it, the whole set, and unbox everything. It's quite laborious. Let me do it. And so finally I'm done with all the unboxing. Now let's try it, the colors. So basically as I already told, there are two series of Winsor Newton. One is Coatman series and one is the professional colors. So if you are beginner, and the Coatman is not beginner as well, that's also very good, but slight the professional colors are actually slight expensive than the Coatman. So in professional color you will get you will get the pan, the metal pan. Otherwise, if you're going to purchase the Coatman, definitely you will get the normal palette without, not the the black metal box. So actually these colors are very pigmented and very saturated colors, and transparent as well at the same time. And Many of them are color fast. Color fast means they last very long and they don't fade over the time. If sunlight, if you expose it under sunlight or any light, uh, so that it makes it very special. And they use very pigments are very rich, that's why it's expensive. If you're going to buy in India, it will cost to around 90,000 rupees. And if you compare it with like the Camlin color, you will like the the I think the 18 shade will cost to around 500 something. So you can buy so many colors. So definitely there is a difference, not that much. You can even do good paintings with the Camlin colors. I do most of my paintings in this channel using the Camlin colors, and also I use white night color as well. So I will put a I will record a new video where I'm going to compare it with white night watercolor. So white night watercolor comes with 36 pans, and this particular Winsor Newton comes with 24 pans. So the colors are rich, and I think you need very small amount of color to fill a very large area. And you just need a very slight touch of water to activate the colors. So it's good for professionals. And if you are beginner and if you want to try these colors, definitely you can try. But what going to happen is if you are going to paint something, and if you really don't know how to control colors, and then I will prefer you not to buy these colors. You can try with the Coatman series. That's also very good color. I think many artists find Coatman series better than this. I don't know. It's their preference, personal choice. But yeah, I also tried the Coatman series. I think many years back. That's also good, not bad at all. So wanted to try this colors since long. So finally purchased. So if you're new to my channel, to subscribe. In future I'm going to give away so many colors, like color palettes, proper color palettes. So it will help you out. If you want to purchase this, I will put the link in my description where you're going to from where you can buy it. So in case if you want to try these colors, you can just add few pans in your existing colors, your whatever color you use. No need to buy the whole set. Many artists do like this only. They particularly choose certain colors from certain brands. That is very good. Even in Camlin colors, there is few colors that are very rich. So no need to buy the whole set unless if you really want to have the pan. So I guess the pan is also sold separately. Otherwise you can get similar pans like the metal box individually from online. So the colors are rich, as I'm trying you, good for mixing. And if you are use a lot wet on wet technique, I guess it will help you out, like it will mix very well. So these are nice colors. And one thing I want to mention here, like in the price actually slight high according to the colors. I don't know, this is very expensive. Even there are other colors, other brands like Daniel Smith and all, they also come in same range, but still I find it very expensive, very expensive. I think in India also, like especially if you are buying from outside, I think you will get it slight less price, but in India it will cost you slight high. I already explained. In current price, it's 19,000. So in India, so do prefer, if you want to really buy these colors, I think do prefer some local stores. If you are in if you are in metro cities, I think there are so many, or even you can find online. There are so many stationery available, where you can buy. I guess they will provide some discount as well. So so definitely a good color for professionals. If you are beginner, definitely don't need to buy. Just go for the Coatman series. If you want to make a video, I will also make a video on the Coatman series as well. So I don't know why they provide the white color. It's completely waste. And so many brands, well-known brands. Even I think all the brands, they provide the white color. It's waste. Trust me. In in like watercolor, we never use white color. Even sometime we can use the black color, but white is completely waste. So I think they should stop providing the white color. Instead of that, they can also grip some other colors. So just putting the white color, so there is nothing. So now let me show you the White Knight watercolor swatch with this. So White Knight is also very rich colors, and that's also very professional colors. So the mixing is good, as you can see. Blue mix well with the green. So here's the White Knight swatch. In White Knight, colors are looking very rich if you compare it with the the Winsor Newton. And I think it's depend on the paper and the color amount I'm using, I guess. So thank you so much. That's all for this video. See you soon with a new video, and do subscribe to my channel. Will soon give away all these colors. So also click the notification icon, so I guess you won't miss any particular notification. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with a new video. Take care and goodbye.